Hello there. Today I'm going to show you how to regrow vegetables from store-bought vegetables, and this is one of them, okay? But today I'm not showing you how to grow chili. I just want to show you how big my chili tree is now. I will do a video on how to grow chili from a store-bought one, okay? Today I'm going to show you how to regrow bok choy and onion. I have a bit of onion here, and that's from an onion head. So just show you, I put this in water for 3 days, roots developed, and I'll show you bok choy, there are no roots, okay. A couple of things to point out. First, bok choy attract caterpillars. If you don't like them, it's better to grow them in late autumn through winter to early spring, okay? And I'm one of those people who are scared of caterpillars. If you grow them at the right time, you don't need to worry about spraying them. Second thing to remember is to find space that gets an hour or so of sun each day. That's enough, okay? If you have an area that gets more sun, that's even better. Okay, I'll just show you what to do. It is that simple. All I do is press it in, okay? And even with this, when they don't have any roots, all I do is press it in, okay? And it's that simple. Next step is to just water them in well, okay? I will update you on the progress. It takes about 4 weeks, and after 4 weeks, all we do is cut leaves off, and then they will grow back, okay? Thank you for watching. Bye.